I found a spot on the shores of Lake Superior. I couldn't get one on the North Shore, so I headed to Ashland, Wisconsin and snagged the last spot at Kreher RV Park. It seems days ago since I left the forest near Two Harbors and headed to Duluth. Of course, it was this morning that I left the forest near Two Harbors and headed toward Duluth, Minnesota. I got a number of errands done and then faced a bit of a quandary. I really wanted to stay someplace on Lake Superior. There was one first-come RV location on the docks in Duluth. However, if I waited until the afternoon to see if I could get a spot, I might be scrambling to find a place or stuck without one. So, after driving around Duluth, I decided to roll the dice and head into Wisconsin to see if I could get a spot on Lake Superior in Ashland. I got the last spot in Kreher RV Park, right on the banks of Lake Superior. That's the RV park from a nearby boat ramp. I'm not on one of the spots directly adjacent to the water, but I am close to the bathroom and showers, which is a good thing in my little teardrop trailer. I wandered onto the Ashland Ore Dock next to the United States Geological Service Biological Station to check out the ship and walk to the end of the ore dock. So I'm heading out to the end of the Ashland Ore Docks, and honestly, I have no idea what or how any of this is or how it was used. Obviously it was something to do with the ore ships coming in, but I might have to go do a little research and figure this out. Or maybe I'll just finish the smoked string cheese that I bought as I rolled out of Ely a couple of days ago.